What's up, everyone? We are back. Today we're going to take a look at the new area, which is south of 44. They're calling it Continuing the Dream. There's several things going on with this. The charter school, the high school, K through 8, they're building a stadium and all kinds of stuff. The other thing is it's going to be a family housing area. So a couple people asked about the co-host, so I decided to do a Q&A with Alexis. We'll go through that and then we'll jump into the video. Like, what have you been doing lately?
I don't know.
Did you have a birthday?
Yes.
You had a birthday? Did you start school?
Yeah.
How's school doing?
Good.
What do you like about it?
School?
Yeah.
I go on the playground.
You go on the playground. What else do you do at school?
I do groups.
What grade are you in?
I don't know.
Are you in kindergarten?
No.
Pre-K?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know what school you go to?
Yes.
What school?
Pre-K.
What school? What's the name of it?
Pre-K.
At Shady Hill, right?
Sadie.
Shady Hill.
Sadie Hill.
Yeah, what's all over your face?
Meatball sub.
You got a meatball sub for helping Dad do the drone videos, right?
Yeah.
I
was hungry.
Was it good?
Yeah. So yummy.
So yummy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Did you have fun doing the drone videos, though?
No!
Why not?
I got so hot there.
Oh, okay. Do you want to say anything to everybody? Want to show them your school picture? Move it. Oh, yeah. So this is what they are calling the Middleton area in the Continuing the Dream. Last time I came out here, they were burning the trees. They had just pushed over all the trees and put them in piles, which you'll see some of that later in a different area. But this is where they're at right now. They're planning to have this done in 2023. This area is specifically designed for the families that work and serve care for the villages. The whole Middleton area is supposed to be done in 2023. Middleton's going to include an early childhood center, Lake Harlow Park, plus a Lake Harlow Canine Park. So they'll have a park for the dogs, park for the people, and all that. They typically always have the park for the dogs. Village is very dog friendly. The charter, K through 8, and the high school. So I heard the charter school that is just south of 466, they didn't have any room to expand, and they were all maxed out. So they had to grow, and this is going to be the area where it goes. They're going to have multiple parks, residential housing out here. High school is actually going to have a full-size stadium and baseball field, practice fields for soccer, tennis courts, gym, basketball courts. Basically, it's going to look exactly like the one by 466, but I think it's going to be way bigger than that. So just by scale, I think they're scaling up, and the facilities will probably be a little bit better. Central Parkway is actually what they're renaming 470. So the road right here that you see is 470, and they're renaming that. They got it approved already, Central Parkway. Just on the other side of that is Federal Coleman Prison. Not the towers that you saw, but just north of this right here. And then here's all the irrigation. You should know, if you've been watching any of my videos, how they do it first. They put in all the irrigation. They get the water running a certain direction. And then they come in and they build on top of it, obviously, because they want that water to run certain ways so they can pump it in and out of neighborhoods based on drainage and which area is getting more water or less water. They can keep the retention ponds full. And that's also the reclaimed water that they use for all the residential housing, the yards, to move the water between the facilities and all that kind of thing. So this is the southern area south of 470, or like I said, Central Parkway, and south of the Turnpike, probably about, I don't know, 2 miles south of the Turnpike. If you take Marsh Bend Trail over the Turnpike and follow it, it's right down at the end of Marsh Bend Trail. Now you can see in the distance there is Coleman. And I don't mean the federal prison. I mean the actual city of Coleman. And then there's a better look at 470. And the entire area. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.